Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and low carb series po tayo ulit. Bakit ba ako nag-share ng low carb? Because I am so tired of being sick. Palagi po tayo may sakit. Tuwing nagpapa-check up na lang po tayo, palaging mataas ang sugar ko, may fatty liver, may atheromatosis aorta, high blood, masakit ang back pain, may Decker veins disease, may back pain, may arm pain, lahat na. So, ayokong dumating yung point na lahat na ay mataas at maging serious pa yung sakit ko. So, nagbasa-basa ako, pwede kong i-redivert yung mga sakit ko into healthy living by doing healthy lifestyle as well. And one of those things that needs to do is, of course, eating healthy. So, low carb means less carbohydrates. So, number one na carbohydrates natin ay ang rice. So, ayan. No rice muna ako. I am not 100% low carb, but I can say I'm 80% now because I'm not really eating rice at breads na. So, 80% pa lang kasi magto 2 months pa lang tayong low carb. So, ayan po ang ating ulam for today. Thank you for watching!